it's Carl Allen coming with you with another Confessions from the Countryside video and some awesome deal making tips to move your deal making career to the next level. So it's Friday night, just had a really wild week inside of the business, both with Dealmaker Wealth Society and also with Props Capital, lots and lots of deals and lots of stuff going on. And it's Friday night and it's traditionally date night. And we're in the house and my wife's been cooking dinner all week. She's even made a chili today. She's been slaving away on the stove today. She's made a chili and that's dinner that we're going to be having tomorrow. So tonight, my friends, I am cooking dinner. And I couldn't cook before this coronavirus lockdown, but I'm learning to cook to help my family and help my wife. And what's really interesting is when you're cooking dinner, when you're cooking food, you're following a recipe. So I'm following Gino De Campo, who's a very famous Italian chef, and I'm using a recipe in his book that I'm cooking for dinner tonight for my wife. It's going to be a date night. So we fed the children. It's now all about me and Julia. And all I'm doing is I'm following a recipe. I'm following a recipe that this person's designed, has mastered, has probably had it in his own restaurants and very, very famous for it. So I'm cooking salmon wrapped in serrano ham with patatas bravas potatoes and some tender stem broccoli. And I'm not reinventing the wheel, guys. All I'm doing is I'm following a recipe. I'm following the ingredients of the recipe and I'm cooking them in the exact same process that he's mastered and he's teaching. And I'm going to get the exact same result that he would get if he was cooking this in a Michelin-starred restaurant. And this is exactly the same thing when you buy a business. So think of me as your master chef, your Michelin-starred chef, like Gino De Campo here. I have a formula, a recipe, and I have ingredients. And if you take my ingredients, so my tools, my business buying tools, my simple model, my direct script, my how to nail the perfect seller meeting, my letter of intent template, my financing term sheet template. You take all of my tools, my ingredients, and you put them into my process, my recipe, you'll get exactly the same result. So if you want anything in your life, it doesn't matter what it is, to cook a great dinner, to buy a business, anything, all you need to do is follow the process, the recipe, the ingredients of people that have done it hundreds and hundreds of times, know how to do it. Just follow their process in the exact same way, using the exact same things, and you will get exactly the same result. So I'm going to go make this dinner and hopefully it's going to be amazing. So that's it, guys. Salmon wrapped in serrano ham with spicy patatas bravas and tender stem broccoli. So I'm no master chef. All I've done is I've taken this guy's recipe, used the same ingredients, followed the same process that he has used to cook this dinner hundreds and hundreds of times. And that's exactly what it comes to when you're buying a business. Follow my recipe, follow my ingredients, and you will get the exact same result that I've had hundreds and hundreds of times. So I'm going to take dinner to the table. I'll go and find Julia. We'll have our date night dinner. And I will see you guys soon for the next Confessions from the Countryside. Have a great weekend. I'll see you soon. Until then, bye for now.